Konnichiwa students, today we will be making an origami swan, the swan of self-love and inner beauty. Now let's make our first origami swan. The swan symbolises grace, beauty, love, trust and loyalty. But I do like this, it only takes 11 folds to make, so if you've got a printed piece of A4 paper and you cut it into a square, and you can make it any square, your first fold that you want to make along this central line here is to do this, and do fold the creases down as well as you can. That's fold one. Now you're going to want to create these creases here, and you do that by folding this edge and lining it up to the center line, and you do that on the other side. Do get your point at the bottom really nice if you can, and you will get better at doing the folds as time goes on. There you go. And just do fold down those lines so you get a kite. You can see the kite. Now we'll turn this over so you get your printed design, and you're going to fold another triangle that matches up with the centre line in here. So make it nice and match up to the centre. If you don't get the very end perfect, it is fine, because that will just be the beak of the swan. And fold that down. Do the same on the other side. So fold this over. And then flatten that out. So you just get a narrow kite. Hopefully you can see that. Now this bottom, the narrow point of the kite, you want to fold that up all the way just under the tip here. And do it as straight as you can. And just under. And do flatten this crease out here. Now this is fold 7 and we're almost done. So up to here we want to fold this in line with this edge. A bit under is fine, but roughly in line. Depends how big you want the swan's head to be. So I'm happy with that. In line or slightly under, it's fine. So we're up to there. So when you get the narrow kite, fold your pattern side up, then fold here in line with this. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is push these two bits together, and this neck should almost fold. Just push that together, straighten that up. Hopefully you can see that. So from here, just push the bottom together, and so we want to angle this head up. So just loosen your grip, angle this head up, and how straight do you want the swan's head to be? So maybe do that about parallel, like so, almost parallel, and then just fold that down. Okay, and then fold inside here as well. And do straighten up any creases. And then let it flare out again, and we're done. That's your first basic swan. You can do different colours, you can add details in and colour it in if you want. And that looks really good.